Everyone's talking about AI, but do you know what really drives it? Not coding, not data. It's how you talk to AI. We've all used ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Copilot. But if your AI isn't giving great results, it's not tool's fault, it's the prompt. And that's where prompt engineering comes in. The art and science of communicating with artificial intelligence to get exactly what you want. It's like teaching AI your language so it understands context, tone, and goals precisely. From designers generating 3D models to marketeers creating campaigns or engineers optimizing code. Prompting is the new digital literacy. And companies today aren't just hiring AI users, they're hiring AI thinkers. And in Skyy Skill Academy, our programs are embedded with AI plus prompt engineering, where you learn how to build context-driven prompts that get consistent results. Use frameworks like FewShot and Chain of Thought, and automate workflows using Gen AI tools to create smarter AI assistant for real-world use cases. Because AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing people who don't know how to use AI. The difference between an average user and an AI innovator starts with how they prompt. So it's high time you learn the skill that powers the AI revolution. Join Skyy Skill Academy and master prompt engineering in your relevant domains. Because the future listens to those who know how to speak to AI.